Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. How are you? I hope you're in good condition. We are group 4. There is me, Wino Ketianti, Adam Revaldi, and Ahmad Afandi. We will talk about mental illness. The definition of mental health is state of well-being in which individuals realize their potential, are able to cope with their pressure of normal life, work productively, and are able to contribute to their environment. Mental illness or mental health disorder is a term that refers to a variety of conditions that affect a person's thinking, feeling, mood, or behavior. This condition can occur only occasionally or last for a long time. Next. There are several types of mental illness. One is depression. This type of mental illness is common. This depression or mood disorder causes symptoms such as feeling of sadness, loss, or prolonged anger. Second is trauma, disorder that occurs after a person has experienced a traumatic event, such as abuse, war, trauma, natural disaster, or a serious accident. The third is anxiety disorder. This type of mental illness is common. Sufferers feel afraid of frightened when dealing with certain objects or situation. Fourth is ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, the type of mental illness that most often occurs in children and can continue into adulthood. ADHD usually tends to be proactive and has difficult maintaining focus on one thing. Ahmad Afandi, time is yours.
Hello everyone. In here, I will continue the explanation from my friend about the types of mental disorders. The fifth, eating disorders, a type of mental illness related to food consumption. The sufferer can eat too little or too much food. Generally, this disorder is related to the sufferer's anxiety regarding their weight and body shape. And six, schizophrenia, a type of mental illness that occurs when the sufferer is unable to distinguish between reality and his own thoughts. The sufferer experiences unrealistic thought, hallucination, and change in behavior. Mental illness treatment. The first, cognitive behavior therapy. This is a type of psychotherapy that is done to change and develop a patient mindset from negative to more positive. This therapy can be given to people with bipolar disorder, depression, anxiety disorders, and schizophrenia. The second, interpersonal therapy. Interpersonal psychotherapy is done with the aim of improving relationship and the way patients interact with other people, such as partner, family, or friends. Patient will be taught how to empathize and resolve conflict with others. The third, dialectical behavior therapy. This therapy is used for patients with borderline personality disorder, but it can also be used for other types of mental illness. This is a type of psychotherapy that is done with the aim of helping mentally ill patients manage and respond positively to the emotion. Number four, medicines. In addition to using psychotherapy methods, psychiatrists can also prescribe drugs for patients with mental disorders. Giving this drug aims to reduce the symptoms felt by the patient, not to cure mental illness. Example of drugs for people with mental illness. Antidepressant drugs, usually prescribed for patients with depression, anxiety disorders, and eating disorders. Second, antipsychotic drugs usually prescribed for patients with schizophrenia and chronic anxiety disorders. The third, mood stabilizer, usually prescribed for patients with bipolar disorder. And number four, sleeping pills and sedatives usually prescribed for patients with sleep disorders and chronic anxiety disorders. Adam Ravaldi, this time is yours.
Okay, guys, I will continue from Ahmad Afandi. Prevention of mental illness. Number 1, sport. Exercise is the prevention of mental illness. For example, yoga. Yoga is mostly done to be relaxed the body to keep it stable. Vacation. Holidays can also be done because usually after holidays you will pleasure and satisfaction if done with that pleasure. Number 3 is support from the close people. Everyone definitely need the close people, for example, family, to be a place for other heart to ask support to keep its spirit up. The conclusion from our presentation, we hope the listeners can understand more about mental health and mental illness. Mental illness can also come from anywhere. So we still hope that we continue to care about your mental health. Even though you have characteristics that we mentioned above. Above it is better to go to psychologist for or psychiatrist or tell someone you trust. For those you who have mental disorder, hopefully in the future it will be much better. Don't forget that we are still many people who love you, even though they are not showing it.
This is all from us. Thank you for your attention. May all this we shall be beneficial for all of you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.